Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete or save videos on Facebook. So if you have too many saved videos cluttering your Facebook, in this easy guide, I'll show you how you can delete all saved video on Facebook quickly and step by step. So first, you can just open your Facebook app. And then here you can just go to the menu by clicking on the profile picture at the top right corner, and in here you'll see the save options. So here you'll see save, and you'll see all your saved videos, posts, and also links. You can see here, you can just tap on see all to see all of the saved collections. And if you want to delete saved videos, so to delete a video, you can just tap on the three dots next to it, and in here there will be this option to unsave. Click on that and the videos will be removed from your saved videos. But unfortunately, Facebook doesn't let you unsave all at once, so you'll need to repeat this for each video. So to delete a video, you can just repeat the same steps. Click on unsave and it will be removed. And if you want to move faster, you can also try using Facebook on a desktop browser. You can just go to facebook.com/saved, where it's easier to scroll and manage multiple items quickly. So if you cannot find the save section, you can try updating the app, clearing the cache, or logging out and back in into your refresh to refresh your settings. So you can just close the Facebook app first, and then here if you are on Android, you can go to the settings app. You can click on this info on the Facebook and try to clear the cache, or you can also log out first and then log back in. So for a quick recap, if you want to delete saved videos on Facebook, you can just open the Facebook app and go to your save sections by clicking on the three lines at the top and click on save. And in here, to unsave, you can just tap on each video by clicking on the three dots and tap on unsave. And so that's all for me. That's how you can delete all saved videos from your Facebook. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks button. Bye!